You're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, right? You've probably heard about budgeting apps like YNAB and EveryDollar. But which one is the right fit for you? Let's dive in. Imagine this. You're staring at your bank account, heart pounding as you realize rent is due in 3 days and your grocery bill is staring back at you. This is the financial roller coaster most of us know all too well. But what if there was a way to take control of your money? That's where budgeting apps like YNAB and EveryDollar come in. Both YNAB and EveryDollar promise to help you budget your money, but they take different approaches. So, let's break down the key differences. What is zero-based budgeting? Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about the core concept behind these apps, zero-based budgeting. It's simple. Every dollar you earn has a job. It's not about restricting yourself, but about intentionally deciding where your money goes. YNAB, you need a budget. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a popular budgeting app that focuses on giving every dollar a job. It's based on the idea that you should budget for the life you want to live. YNAB operates on a 4-week budgeting cycle, which can be a bit different from traditional monthly budgeting. Key features: 4-week budgeting cycle. Focus on giving every dollar a job. Emphasis on saving for future expenses. Offers advanced features like budgeting for large purchases. EveryDollar. EveryDollar, created by Dave Ramsey, is a simpler budgeting app. It focuses on helping you create a monthly budget and stick to it. It's a good option for those who prefer a more straightforward approach. Key features: monthly budgeting. Easy-to-use interface. Free version available. Integration with Ramsey solutions. The core differences. So, what sets these two apps apart? Philosophy: YNAB is more about planning for the future and giving every dollar a specific job, while EveryDollar is focused on creating a monthly plan and sticking to it. Time frame: YNAB uses a 4-week budgeting cycle, while EveryDollar sticks to a traditional monthly budget. Features: YNAB offers more advanced features like budgeting for large purchases and forecasting, while EveryDollar is more basic. Cost: YNAB requires a subscription, while EveryDollar has a free version with limited features. Which one is right for you? Choosing between YNAB and EveryDollar depends on your personal preferences and financial goals. Choose YNAB if you want a more in-depth budgeting experience. You're willing to invest in a budgeting tool. You want to focus on saving for future goals. Choose EveryDollar if you prefer a simpler budgeting approach. You're on a tight budget and want a free option. You're already following Dave Ramsey's financial advice. Beyond the apps. Remember, the best budgeting app is the one you'll actually use. Both YNAB and EveryDollar offer valuable tools to help you take control of your finances. The key is consistency. It's also important to consider other factors like your income, spending habits, and financial goals. Maybe a combination of both apps or a completely different approach is what you need. Additional tips. Start small. Don't try to overhaul your entire financial life at once. Start with small, achievable goals. Be realistic. Your budget should reflect your lifestyle. Don't set unrealistic expectations. Track your spending. Knowing where your money goes is crucial for effective budgeting. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Find a budgeting buddy. Having someone to hold you accountable can make a big difference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.